Hey all, Chris Ulrich, United Home Loans, mortgage tips and everything else, and today we're talking residential renovation loans. More precisely, VA's renovation program, FHA's 203K, and Fannie Mae's Homestyle Renovation loan. What are they, how do they work, and is one of these the right program for you? Let's dive right in. So what is a renovation loan? A renovation loan is simply a means to finance your home improvement. These are fantastic programs for people that may not have the money saved to pay for the work themselves, or for those people that may not want to deplete all their savings that they've worked so hard for. These programs allow for smaller or more cosmetic projects like painting or putting in new cabinets and countertops, to major projects like full gut rehabs or putting an addition on your home. For the most part, these follow the same guidelines and have the same approval requirements as a traditional mortgage, but there's one key additional feature. They allow you to finance the construction costs into the new loan. So in a purchase transaction, you're paying for the acquisition of the home and the cost of the construction all at one time, wrapped into one single loan. So how does it work? Assuming you've already identified a property to purchase, you'll need to get architectural plans if necessary and an itemized contractor's bid for the work to be done. From there, you'll come to an agreement with the seller and contract on the new home to purchase. Once under contract, we can begin the application process and your lender will help coordinate a HUD consultant to review the contractor's bid. While processing your loan, we'll send an appraiser out to evaluate the property as is today, but they will provide a subject to value, which is the value of the home once all of the improvements are made. Depending on which renovation loan program you go with, we can lend up to a certain percentage of that future value, so you are borrowing money against the value of the home as if the work were completed. Once your loan is approved, you will close on the home purchase, and the funds you borrow to complete the work will actually sit in an escrow account or a draw account with the title company, who will release funds to the contractor incrementally as each stage of the rehab work is completed. That construction or rehab work will begin after closing, and your HUD consultant will continue to work with you, the contractor, and the title company to make sure the process keeps moving along in a relatively timely manner. Here's an example of somebody purchasing a home without and with renovation financing. Johnny, homeowner, finds a fixer-upper for $300,000. He brings a contractor in to see the home and determines that the work Johnny wants done will cost about $100,000. Well, with a traditional conventional loan, Johnny would have to come up with at least 5% down payment to purchase the home and then finance all of the construction costs on his own. Instead, Johnny decides to apply for Fannie Mae's Homestyle Renovation loan. His lender, Chris, sends an appraiser out to view the home, but also to review the contractor's bid. The appraiser determines that once all the work is completed, the home would be comparable to homes in the area selling for $400,000. Well, with Fannie Mae's Homestyle Renovation program, Johnny can finance up to 95% of that future or improved value. So how much do these programs cost? Well, there are fees involved, but that's going to differ depending on everybody's unique scenario. However, you're going to have to pay some required fees regardless of whether you're taking out a renovation loan or paying for the improvements yourself with cash. Now, earlier I spoke about Fannie Mae's Homestyle Renovation program, but there's also VA and FHA's 203K. Now, your lender is going to look at several different factors to help determine what program's right for you. And some of these factors include the size of the loan, what work you want to have done, how your credit profile looks, the property type, whether it's a single-family detached home, a condo, or a multi-unit property, and your down payment amount, just to name a few. These renovation loan types are fantastic programs and can be a game changer in a market with low inventory or when purchase prices for turnkey homes just aren't affordable. These programs allow you to buy that lower priced fixer-upper and renovate it to your own personal tastes and preferences, all without diving deep into your savings. Now, the first place to start is by getting pre-approved. I provided a link in the description below to get started. From there, I can review your profile to help you, give you some guidance as to which renovation loan program might be right for you. Because remember, everybody and everybody's goals as a homeowner is completely unique, so there just isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to this. As always, feel free to give me a call or send me a message for a free consultation. I'm always happy to help. Cheers.